make another video of jump starting that truck. Have you guys seen the video yesterday? 2 boosters wouldn't start it, and it would not start this morning after being on the tender. So, yep. So I put the good battery back in this, since the other one had a worn out terminal and it wasn't as good as this one. So I'll just leave this in it. I'll go see. Let's see if the key's in this. Yep. Oh, it was left on. I bet it's dead. Huh. Shoot. Well, screw ending the video. I'm surprised it's still trying to crank. Surprised it's not dead. Well, good thing I came here, because they would have been completely dead. Alright. Let's go see what this voltmeter says. I bet it's dead now. They're low. They're showing 12.1. And this truck's supposed to be around like 12.6 with both batteries. Damn. I wonder how long that key has been left on for, because you guys heard it ding, and I was like, why the hell is it? Damn key was on. Well, okay. Well, let me go get the 660. No, yeah. We'll use the 660 and jumper cables. Let's grab these out of here. Alright, hooked up. Now I'll start my F-150. That's why I swapped them, because it starts up really good. Just make sure the booster's showing that it's got a connection, because if it... Oh, it must. I guess. Yeah, it's definitely making some connection. Yeah, I can tell by my alternator. Okay. Well, I'll give her a little gas, but I know she's charging because of the way it's running. And I'll see you guys, and hopefully everything fires. I'm gonna leave it like this for a little bit more, and then you guys will see me in the red truck. Yes, I did turn the key off. I probably videoed it. Let's try this. Oh, that sounds a lot better. I might need the bus. I bet the starter might have taken the crap on this. Or roll the window down, and then I'll give it one more try. If that don't work, I'll just use the bus where there's higher connection. Nah. I'll give it a little bit longer, but I don't think she's gonna start. One more time with the truck. Nope. Well, I'll try the bus and then let her run for a good while when I use the bus, since it's got 2 alternators and batteries. So then let's unhook this. Now I gotta let this truck charge, because I know that took quite a good amount of amperage out of the alternator. So, all right, let's move her back. At least I got fuel in her. I'm gonna go around back. Hopefully this, I really want to get this thing insured and be able to drive to school. There's another, he's a senior. We were talking about F-150s one time, and I showed him a picture of mine. I told him, he said mine's junk, but I was like in my head, I was like, yours is worse. But I mean, I was also like, well, I mean, if it still runs and drives, damn thing is still a working vehicle. Rusty, but who cares? This is the same way, and it runs great. mean, so I figured I'd bring that out. I'll just go this way again. Can't go very far because I don't have any plates on this. Once you get up to the high RPMs though, you can hear that ticking from the exhaust. This truck does run good though, man. And if that truck don't start with the bus, I'm gonna put it on the tender. Well, I was planning on doing it anyways. I don't know why I do this, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't get to do this much with this truck. I'll get on her now. Hey, it gets pretty loud. Alright, I think I'll drive this thing around for a while. I mean, I already drove the S10 in my Ranger, so I'll just drive this a little bit around here. So I'm going to end the video here, right here, and then I'm going to end the video and then go put this inside the shop for now and get the key to the bus and fire it up. So I'll come back for part 2. This was running yesterday. This one don't have much recording space left on it either. Pretty sketchy, but I got it. Hook it up to this battery because, you know, that one's a pain. It's not gonna start. Give her another rest, and if it don't go, she's done. One more time, then I'm done. Nah, she's freaking done. Batteries are dead too. Oh well. I guess I'll leave those in. Nobody's gonna be able to take it. Oh well.